So it's been a good year since I installed these SunPower Flexible Solar Panels with that new mounting technique with the corrugated plastic cardboard stuff. And I thought I'd make a short video, just a follow-up to answer that burning question that you've been asking, which is how have the solar panels been doing and how's that mounting system holding up? So let me show you. So first of all, let me reacquaint you with what I have up here on the roof. So I have two SunPower 110 watt semi-flexible solar panels here on the back, and there's one up here which is a 170 watt SunPower Flex panel. Now I have them all connected in series, and I was able to do that because all three of these have a very similar amp rating. So that allows me to connect them all in series, and they perform really well. They're all in pretty good condition after a year of use. And one of the things that I learned from my source at SunPower is that they spent a lot of time choosing just the right PET outer coating to use for these panels that have the highest UV protecting properties. I thought all PET was the same and that PET was not good, but from what I'm hearing is that, you know, not all PET coatings are the same. Now all three of these panels are all mounted using the same technique, which is using that corrugated cardboard underneath, and I haven't removed them at all in the year since I installed them. So let's cut the power to the solar and take one of these off and see what it looks like. So I haven't removed these wing nuts since I installed this, and the blue Loctite that I put on here seems to be holding pretty well, because every once in a while I'll come up and just double check these and they're still pretty tight and they're not backing off at all. Let's get some of these cranked off. This one, they're on there pretty good. This one's coming. It also has a lock washer on here, so let's get it off. This one's coming off pretty good here. Yeah, so these are on there pretty good. Let me go get a little pliers and that'll help me out here. Okay, well here's what I'm learning so far is that this panel is not as removable as I had originally planned. Maybe it's the Loctite, it's just not, it's not coming off very easily, because the carriage bolt just starts to spin with the wing nut after a while when you start unscrewing it. So I've only been able to get one off so far, and I think the solution at this point is just to take off the Turnabon and remove it so I can get underneath that that corrugated cardboard or whatever and loosen up this panel. So yeah, so next time maybe no Loctite. This is a very delicate job because there's a Turnabon here. I've got a knife, and underneath this metal plate here is some VHB tape, so it's very delicate to get through it and release it without damaging the roof. All right, here we go. Yay! And we're up. Whew! Well, removing these wing nuts was a major pain in the butt. So first lesson to be learned here is don't use Loctite. The little aluminum thing here that's kind of binding it to that mounting point, it would, you know, the Loctite holds it on so tight that it just starts spinning in there, and once it does, a couple of these, the only way I was able to get it out was with a couple of different vice grips to get it on the bottom. Major pain in the butt. And 3 of these mounting points are actually going to need to be redone when I put this back. But hey, I'll do it for you guys. So, you know, we did get some rain yesterday, so when I remove these, it's actually able to be removed now. I expect to see a little bit of water underneath. So let's take a look. Well, if you take a look under the panel here, it looks like it's in really good shape. No hot spots or any discoloring or anything like that. So that's a good sign that that everything is working properly and everything's intact. It certainly is performing well. So yeah, I like it. Well, if there was ever a question whether this mounting system is going to keep these panels securely on the roof, I hope I've answered that for you. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the way it's worked out. They seem to be draining really well. It's rained for the past couple days, and I haven't seen a lot of residual moisture underneath, and they seem to be keeping the panels in pretty good shape with the ventilation and all that. I haven't really seen any or noticed any visible wear on these SunPower panels after the first year, and they continue to perform really, really well. In fact, they really crank out the power during the day, so I'm really happy with them overall. And you can still get them. I'm going to drop a link in the description if you're interested in picking some of those up. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I've definitely got to work on the mounting a little bit, and I've got some work to do to remount this panel. So I hope this follow-up helped you out and answered some questions, and drop them below. Give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.